What's up mga kamilya, mga megs? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like food vlogs, travel vlogs, promotions, vlogging lessons, I do online gaming, how to make money online, and of course movie reviews. So don't forget, give a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. Speaking of movie reviews, right now we will be reviewing a new movie called The Old Guard. Parang never heard siya na title, di ba? And it's like not so inviting, you know? Pero The Old Guard is a new movie starring Charlize Theron. Charlize or Charlize? And a lot of good actors and actresses. This movie is an action movie. So kung gusto mo ng action movie, ito ang movie para sa'yo. Kasi alam natin, basta action, medyo may CIA, tapos may mga espionage, tapos yung iba, total war, di ba? Yung iba, may a little comedy. Pero etong movie na to ay parang kakaiba ang tema. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapanood, gusto kong manood kayo nito. The theme is a little of action, yeah, but the story is very well placed and very parang very intriguing na story. In the first part pa lang, you will have questions in your mind. Tapos unti-unti itong mare-reveal. Pagdating sa dulo, baka ang expectations mo ay sobrang bongga na parang Fast and the Furious na movie. Hindi. It is a story-driven na movie and the story is very interesting. So, ang unang part sa movie ay mamamatay yung bida. So, ano kaya yon? Parang Atomic Blonde na siya yung bida, babae yung bida, siya pa yung gumagawa ng moves ng mga action scenes, parang ganun. Siya yung leader ng grupo. It is very good to note na ang galing-galing ni Charlize Theron sa movie na to. Magaling ang mga fight scenes, not as good as mga Mission Impossible, no? Not as good as that or Fast and the Furious. Galing talaga ng mga movie na yon. Pero eto, nandun sa category na yon. Thrilling at times and merong mga pasabog pa rin, tapos may mga sniper, yung mga ganon. Okay, if you love action movies, you will enjoy. Pero don't expect much. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Now, I would gladly rate this one as 9. I think it's a 9 in the sense that it is not at par with Avengers Endgame or Fast and the Furious movies or Mission Impossible movies that I like, no? So it is not at par, but it is a very interesting story and I would love to recommend it to you guys. It is available on Netflix. If you haven't got a Netflix account yet, pwede kayong mag-avail sa akin. Paano ba? Ganito. If hindi pa kayo na nakapa-Netflix ngayon, if you want a solo account, tapos 3 months access to Netflix Premium, you can have it for 1,100. Pero kung subscribers kita, may discount ka sa akin. Gusto nyo, 1,000 na lang para sa mga subscribers ko. Kung gusto nyo naman, for 6 months, yun din for users or devices, 2,100. Kung subscribers kita, 100 peso discount na yan. Gusto nyo 1 year, 4,100. And kung subscribers ka, 4,000 na lang yan. So kung gusto mo naman na 3 months ka pero isang user ka lang kasi cellphone lang gamit mo, or gusto mo TV lang kasi dyan sa sala nyo, pwede kang mag-avail niyan ng 300 pesos sa akin. Tapos 1 movie download per day lang. Gusto nyo 6 months, 600 lang. Kung gusto mo ng 1 year, 1,200 lamang ang isang device. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Avail na kayo dyan. Please email me sa email dyan sa baba. or sa number na nandyan, you can message me on Master Poppy Facebook page. So ayun, contact nyo lang ako tapos i-share nyo tong video na to sa mga friends nyo na gusto ng mga movie reviews. Para bago nyo mapanood, meron na kayong overview sa movie. Alright? No spoilers, no spoilers. So, that's it. Please comment down below if napanood nyo na, tapos anong masasabi nyo about the movie. No spoilers, okay? So, don't forget to like, comment na dyan, tapos share this video to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one, mga migs, this is Master Poppy, and bye-bye!